Hi friends, this lesson is for Module 1, Lesson 31. Today's learning goal says, I can use math drawings to model finding an unknown part. Now, we've been working on writing some good math drawings so that we can show all of that good thinking that we are doing in our brains on our paper, so other people can see our process for finding the answer. Today, I'm going to show you a strategy that works really well when you are taking away something and you're not sure how much was taken away. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. Miles had 6 toy cars. He lost some cars, and now he only has 2 cars. How many cars did he lose? Okay, just like always, I'm going to draw what I know. I'm going to draw what I read. So here we go. Miles had 6 toy cars, so that's what I'm going to start with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so he had 6 toy cars. Then it says he lost some cars. What number is some? Oh, you have no idea. Oh, that must be the unknown part. I do not know. So I'm not going to draw anything for that yet because I have no idea how much some is. So he lost some cars, who knows? And now he only has 2 cars. All right, so he had 6, as I drew. He lost some, and now he only has 2. I'm going to go ahead and circle what I do know. I do know that he has 2 left over. That's one of the parts. Then I'm going to cross out what's missing. If he only has 2 left over, the rest he's missing. So now we should clearly be able to see the 2 parts of 6. He had 6 altogether. Some he still has, and some he lost. Can you see that clearly from the picture? Oh, good. Now let's try to put that information into a number bond. So let's see. Here's my number bond, and how many cars did he start with altogether? Perfect. 6. If I forgot, I could count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. Good thing I did that drawing. All right. What's another part what's a part that you see up there that's part of 6? Yeah, 2, because he had 2 cars after he lost some. And then the other part would be 4. Yep, he lost those 4 cars, silly goose. Now, if I wanted to, I could write a subtraction sentence that tells what happened in this story. I could say he had 6 cars, he lost 4, and now he only has 2 left. All right, do you see how I use my picture to help show what happened so that I could fill in my number bond and also write that good subtraction sentence? 6 minus these 4 over here equals the 2 that he still has left over. That's how we're going to show our good thinking today with our math drawing. Let's try one. Can you go ahead and press pause? You get your dry erase board and a marker. I'm going to have you work on this one with me, okay? All right, ready? Here we go. Luna bought 8 flowers. She put some in a vase and 3 in her hair. How many flowers did she put in the vase? All right, we're going to draw what we read, right, friends? All right, let's start at the very beginning. Luna bought 8 flowers. Let's go ahead and do a quick math drawing to do 8 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now take a pause for a second, friend. Just double tap on each of the circles and make sure you got 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. When I start to get to big numbers, I like to make sure I double check. I don't want to start out with the wrong amount. Okay, it says she put some in a vase. Do we know how many she put in a vase yet? No, we have no idea. Some is not actually a number. All right, so she put some in a vase and 3 in her hair. So since we circle what we know she put 3 in her hair. So let's go ahead and circle 3 of those. Now, I just wanted to take a pause for another second because you know what I've never actually talked about, but I would like to talk about with you right now, is how I circled 3 in one group. Did I circle 1 here and then loop it down over there and loop it over? No, I didn't. Remember, math drawings are all about staying organized. So if I know 3 are in a group, they're part of one of the parts, I'm going to circle them all together. Make sure you're doing that. Good work too. Okay, so I circled what I knew. I drew 8 flowers. I know that she has 3 in her hair. That must mean the rest she took out and put in a vase. So let's go ahead and cross those out to show that they're not with the other 3. They're totally a different part. All right, so you should be able to tell me now, how many flowers did she put in the vase? Yes, the answer is 5. I hope that you counted all the ones you crossed out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because by crossing them out, we show that we took them out of the 8 flowers so we could put them somewhere else. We put them in a vase in this case. Okay, go ahead and draw a number bond. Can you look at that good math drawing and fill in our number bond talking about the flowers that Luna had? Press play to check yourself, friend. Okay, so Luna bought 8 flowers. That's going to be the whole amount, of course. We knew she put some in a vase and 3 in her hair. We figured out that she had 3 in her hair and then 5 ended up in the vase. Do you see how my math drawing matches that number bond? I have 8 circles to show the flowers. I have 3 in this group, that's right there, to show that part. And I have 5 crossed out, that's right there, to show that part. The picture should match the number bond because we're talking about the same thing. Now let's see. If I wanted to write a subtraction sentence, I could write, I'm going to start with the whole amount, 8 minus 3, so this is one she puts in her hair, equals 5. Friend, could I have written 8 minus 5 equals 3? Yeah, totally. When they're in a number bond, it doesn't matter which part I subtract first. It depends on how you read that story. All right, it's your turn. Erase your board. I want you to go ahead and do this one all by yourself, at least the math drawing part, okay? I'm going to read it, and then I'll read it again, and I want you to make sure that you draw the picture to show your good math thinking. Then we'll press play and check ourselves. Ready? Here we go. Alana brought 7 pencils. She sharpened some pencils, we don't know how many, and now there are 3 left in the box. How many pencils did she sharpen? Okay, friend, we're going to draw what we read. Here we go. Alana brought 7 pencils. Go for it, draw that. She sharpened some pencils, and now there are 3 left in the box. So go ahead and circle what we know. All right, so how many pencils did she sharpen? Make sure that you drew your line to show how many were not in the how many were not in the box. Okay, ready to check yourself? Here we go. It said Alana brought 7 pencils, so I'm going to draw that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Perfecto. She sharpened some pencils. I have no idea how many that is, but I know that there are now 3 left in the box. So I'm going to go ahead and circle 3. That's going to be the part that I know. That means the rest are all the ones she sharpened. I put a line through them so that I know that they're different from the part of 3 that's left in the box. Okay, friend, how many did she sharpen? Excellent, 4 of them. All right, I want you to go ahead, use that math drawing to fill in your number bond. Press play to check yourself. Well, she started with 7 pencils, so that's the whole amount. And then we knew that 3 were left in the box, and we figured out that there were 4 that she sharpened. Do you think you could write a subtraction sentence that goes along with your picture and your number bond? Try it, and then see if yours is the same as mine. Excellent. All right, so here we go. So I have 7 minus 4 equals 3. Is that what you had? Don't erase it if you have 7 minus 3 equals 4, because that would work as well. Excellent job. We're doing so well. Let's go ahead and give ourselves a double super clap, because we're working so hard. So on the count of 3, we'll do 2 big claps all together. 1, 2, 3. Rock stars. All right. Our learning goal for today said, I can use math drawings to model finding an unknown part. And that's exactly what we did today. Now it's your turn. This is what you're going to seesaw to your teacher. Did I forget to put a seesaw sign on there? Oh, silly me. I want you to go ahead and seesaw the picture to your teacher and then the number bond. Don't worry about any math number sentences unless you want to, but I really am worried about making sure that you do that nice picture to show your good thinking and then the number bond. Here we go. There were 10 donuts. The class ate some, and now there are 4 left. How many donuts did the class eat? Okay, draw what you read. There were 10 donuts. The class ate some, and now there are 4 left. How many donuts did the class eat? All right, good luck, friend.